chorus is rising, a tower of sound, lifting the heavy from the shivering ground. Lapi, panpi, the melody wakes, healing the burden of the past and the aches. The harmony swells like a tide in the sun, the dream of the millions, the victory won. But listen, the rhythm is starting to tire. There's a ghost in the temple, a thief in the choir. The strike is a fracture of steel, turning the truth into something unreal. The apanasat, the wave shaper bites, tearing the glory from the anthem of nights. It hits with the weight of a grave, drowning the music that we wanted to save. The strings are distorted, the choir is torn. In the wake of the hammer, a monster is born. Hada hada, the melody bleeds into the hunger of industrial needs. Slash, the hammer is striking the tone, deep in the marrow of the symphonic bone. What cooler, the distortion is wide, with the ghost of the joy nowhere to hide. New futsar, the wave shaper screams, shredding the fabric of the classical dreams. It's a brutal collision, a sledgehammer march, crushing the pride of the marble stone arch. Sans Lassar, the anthem is broken by the weight of the iron, the words left unspoken. The cathedral is shaking, the ceiling is thin, as the hammer of industry lets the dark in. Lapi, pampi, a truncated prayer, lost in the sulfur of the sledgehammer air. The melody's dying, the melody's frayed under the rhythm of the damage we've made. Everything square, everything jagged, leaving the soul of the symphony ragged. Faster, harder, the iron is cold, watching the end of the joy unfold. The joy is a ruin, the hammer is still a monument built to the sledgehammer's will. The anthem has vanished, the choir is gone, left in the light of a distorted dawn. Happy, boom, boom, happy,